Shove my fish in. Now it just looks like we've got a dirty bag. Oh. I don't know what to think of them. Hello. Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Today, Nanotape Magic Pocket Pets. Seal, peel, wow. I have no idea what Nanotape is. I just thought this looked interesting. I was rather curious, and it cost £5. So let's have a look. The latest viral craft sensation, apparently. 2 rolls of Nanotape, 2 keychains, slime sprinkles, press outs, and more. Let's open it. Like a milk carton. Oh, well, I could have done that better. Pump. Slime. Blue slime. Chunky sprinkles. Felt pen. It looks like it's a marker. It is a marker because it smells like one. They meant to go together that way. That looks like they've put them together wrong for some reason. That's not how I'd normally have a key ring, but hey ho. Nanotape. Straw. Oh, these are press outs. Instructions. So what do we have? We won't be scanning that. Make your own fantastic friend. Right, it just tells you how to do the one. Okay. Follow the steps inside to make your very own magic fantastic friend. You will need these items from your kit. Fantastic press out. Nanotape. Blue slime. Felt tip pen. That's a marker. But we're going to need some colours. Well, I've got plenty of colours. Keychain. And you will also need scissors. Ask an adult to help with these. Jax, will you help me with these? Yes, I will. Tips and nano magic tricks. Scan the QR code on the front of this leaflet. Blah, 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 blah. Local crafts. Nanotape takes practice. Okay. Magic spellbinding. Wow. Part of the magic of Nanotape is that it's super, super sticky. So stop your tape from sticking to your tabletop by laying down a sheet of baking paper or some of the discarded backing film before you get crafty. Nano magic doesn't last forever. Have fun making lots of cute crafts and enjoy them while they last. Take lots of photos of your amazing creations to share with your friends. You could even try making your own tutorial video. It's a viral trend after all. Apparently. Remember, scissors are sharp. Right, we won't worry about that bit. So take your fantastic press out and cover both sides in Nanotape or sticky tape. Well, it doesn't tell us to colour him first, but I'm not putting a white fish in there. We'll give him some colour. Okay. Right. Well, fish. Well, they have a goldfish, so we'll do a goldfish. Do I have another orange or a yellow to hand? I've got a sort of fleshy colour, see how that comes up. Yeah, that'll work. Right, we have a fish. And it says, take your first fantastic fish, press out, blah, 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 blah. Cover both sides in a nano or sticky tape. Oh, that is really sticky. No, it doesn't feel, it feels stickier on the edges than anywhere else. Perhaps we'll stick some tape on him because he's only a little. I don't know if that'll be too chunky with the Nanotape. There we go. One little fishy. Now, it says cut a length of the nano tape around 18 centimetres is perfect. Fold it in half and seal along the one side, leaving the gap in the middle. Okay. About that. That looks like a lot. Fold it in half and seal along the one side. Push some slime in there. Use stay open. It's a shame, this is quite nice slime. Oh, it's jelly slime. But anyway, poke some of this in there. Down there. Shove my fish in. Just stick a bit more in. And then seal it and pinch the top. I guess we can trim that down quite a bit. I think he kind of needs something to like hold that in a bit, doesn't he? It's just going to keep... Okay, well, I got a little bit of wire to cinch that top in there. And the slime keeps trying to creep out. But we will continue. Add some detail with your pen. Some crease lines. This smells like a marker, looks like a marker, but is going on here like a felt tip pen. Or a really, really bum marker. Now it just looks like we've got a dirty bag. Well, we'll continue all the same. I'll stick a little hole in it, get pen everywhere, see if that hole's big enough, just about, to put our keyring on. Right, well, whilst I was hoping that that didn't split, I tried making another one, and I tried getting the edges totally sealed in there, and I tried keeping the top open so I could pinch it in. And it's come out a little bit better. I like that that one's tied up at the top. Let me get a marker and see if we can get this to look. You know, whatever this stuff is, marker doesn't want to go on it. So that is a permanent marker. Whatever they're using a permanent marker. Am I missing a trick? Oh. Now, even though I read the instructions, I still managed to do it wrong. There's a backing strip that you peel off, but I thought when you peeled that off... Let's see if we can do it with this one. It was sticky. It is sticky. And it feels nicer. Now I can crinkle my bag up. I'm guessing now I can put my lines on. The little crinkle lines. And I can squeeze it and have it stick to my fingers. I don't know. Let's take this off for a second. Get my wire off and see. Because we're able to take the backing tape off that one easy enough. I guess since I've done that, I can do that. I don't know what to think of them. It's just thick double-sided tape. So nano tape is just thick double-sided tape. Yeah, I don't know what to think. I think it's going to take a lot more playing. I mean, it's... If I touch anything that's like fuzzy or hairy, that's going to pick up everything. Because it's just thick double-sided tape. I don't know if there's any point in trying anything else. I mean, I will, because I want to see what you do with that. And the straw. So that doesn't go on there. Is that to like make a lollipop with? Let's see what happens if I just take a little bit. Let's see if we do this. And we'll just put a sprinkle it there. Let's try and do that. Let's see what happens. We'll take the backing tape off. I mean, it's stretchy, so I'm hoping we can do this. And that is sealed. Doesn't seem to be blowing up. A little bit. Yeah, that's that. I'm guessing, does the straw do the same? Let's find out. We're going to have the same issue where it's not totally sealed. Ain't blowing that up. Are you going to put something in there? So I've got a very tiny little bubble. I don't know. I mean, it's interesting. What happens if I really squeeze that? It doesn't seem to... It's got quite a bit. You can give it quite a squeeze. I've got no slime coming out. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave that here today and come back to it. Shall I pop this? Yeah. Maybe I will have to check out this thing. Let's go on the QR code. And 2 more projects. Well, I might do that on another video. As it stands, I don't know what to think of this. We made a fishy keyring. Well, we made 2 fishy keyrings. And you can squeeze them. It's pretty satisfying though. Now I've manhandled this a lot more than that one. It's not all clean and shiny anymore. It's got all my natural hand grease on there. Yeah, we're going to call that here at £5 as it stands. I don't know. I think I need to have a further experiment. This is just thick double-sided tape. So I'll be curious to see what the price difference is online. Let me know what you think. Has anyone else out there tried this? Is it worth checking out the QR code? I don't know. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's given you some sort of idea of what to expect. And maybe you've had better luck than me. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care. And see you in the next one.